really appreciate Landon giving individuals here in the community an opportunity to share their voices and share their experiences. It's wonderful that we have a community where, one, different groups are given a moment to be highlighted, but two, that their voices are being amplified instead of something that's just kind of a standard narrative being shared. So I think that's a really great way to be more authentic and give more power to the voices that relate to those groups. And for those groups who may not be as prominent on campus, such as Pacific Islanders, we may not be as large of a population, there's still an appreciation and an encouragement to share those things and then provide more awareness to everybody else as well. I really hope that everyone, of course, enjoys the performance and enjoys the presentation as a whole. I also hope that encourages them to ask questions about their past experiences and knowledge, and if there's anything new that they experience, how they feel about it, or if it sparks new interest or lots of conversation.